In this lesson, we'll look at the video without the audio and with the audio to understand why audio is so important for video. So the stop motion animation is complete. The visuals look great, the music is there, the narration sounds great. What I want to do is I want to show you what this looks like without any music or narration, so you understand how powerful those are when looking at visuals of a video. Okay, now let's listen to it with the music. Okay, now let's listen to it with the music and the narration.
Hey everybody, I'm gonna try to climb this. I made it to the top. Yeah.
The music makes it sound cinematic. The narration sucks the viewer in because the viewer wants to understand what the stickbot is thinking. So you always want to add music and narration into your videos. This lesson will continue in the next video.